Are you also afraid of speaking in English in front of huge crowd and in front of your friends and your relatives? Just because you think that they will judge you, they will make fun of you. That is why you avoid speaking among them. So this video is definitely helpful for you. So today I am going to tell you that how you can overcome your fear when you have to talk in front of public and when you have to conversate in English. So let's start with the examples. Most of the students get nervous when they have to speak in English. They just don't feel confident enough when they have to conversate with me in English or when they have to speak in English with anyone else, even with their friends and family. Because they think that everyone will judge them and they make fun of them, or they will get demotivated just because they are not very good in speaking English. So first thing, what students and what all you have to do is that you guys should be confident in yourself. If you have confidence that your English is really good or it's good enough that you can speak in English, then you just have to start speaking English today. Otherwise, if you will not speak in English with anyone, or if you will think that your speaking is not good and people will judge you, then you might not start speaking English and you will be not confident. So usually what students feel that people will judge them. So when people judge them, firstly, judgment is in their mind. They overthink a lot. They start judging themselves that they are not good in English. Then only the front person with the person they are speaking, those persons start judging them. And with this, the students lose their confidence, they get nervous, and they avoid conversating with anyone. So what all you have to do and what students have to do is that you guys should be confident and comfortable in your English. Choose those words in which you are able to speak them correctly and you are able to pronunciate those words correctly. Only then you will start gaining your confidence. Otherwise, if you will think a lot, like you will think if that people will judge you and they will make fun of you, then you will never can start speaking English. So start speaking English now. See, what I have to do is when I started speaking English, one of my friend told me that when you have to speak English or whenever you are among a huge crowd and you can't face them, what you have to do is just blur your vision. When we blur our vision, we can't see anyone. We just focus on ourselves, we just focus on our English. Only then I was able to speak English and I was a bit confident about it. So what you have to do is just blur your vision when you have to speak among a public and when there is a huge crowd. Then you will start realizing that there is no one in front of you and you are speaking just normally. No one is there to judge you, no one is there to make fun of you. Firstly, students should avoid this thing that they think that someone will judge them. If you will do this thing, you can't speak English. You never ever be able to speak English. So try these things and be more confident, be comfortable in your body language, because usually when students speak English, when they are not enough confident, they start shivering. They avoid eye contact, they shiver a lot. And that shows the person in front of they are speaking, that person thinks that the person who is speaking or the student who is speaking is not confident, and those persons start bullying you and they think that they can weak you. They pick your weak points and they start questioning about that. This video is very helpful if you are going to learn IELTS or you want to learn English. So if you want to learn or if you want to watch more these kind of videos, just subscribe to our channel, like this video, and please do comment and tell me what your queries are so that I'll be able to resolve all your queries. Either you can connect with our team on the given helpline number. Thank you.